I have somebody I would like to introduce to you. Actually, I'm not going to introduce it to you. My friend Saya is going to introduce him to you. Would you like to introduce him to everybody, Saya?
This is Crash the Opossum.
That's right, and Crash came to us from the Asheville Nature Center in Asheville, North Carolina. You want to give him that little apricot there? Hold it in front of his face. Watch your fingers. Ooh, uh-oh.
Okay.
Oh boy. And Crash, you can pet him. Go ahead and pet him, Saya. And Crash came to us from the Asheville Nature Center because his mother was attacked by a dog and she didn't make it. And neither did any of his siblings. Where are you going? Woo! And so Crash is the sole survivor of his family. And now he's going to live at Earthshine and teach people like you about the amazing opossum, who really right now just wants to go hide somewhere and eat his newfound treat, this little apricot, the first apricot that Crash has ever had. Pet him, Saya. He's very friendly.
Yes, he
and
is.
He's crawling up onto my... And he's eating the apricot now.
I wanted to name him Wanderer.
Wanderer?
Because he actually wanders around all the time.
He does wander around, and you know what? She's right. That's what opossums do. They're nomadic. They wander everywhere. And so that's a really good name. So we can call him Crash Wanderer. How about that, Saya?
Yeah.
Sure. Why not? And he's drooling all over me, I'm sure.
No, he's not.
Really?
I don't see any.
So, do you have anything else to tell everybody about Crash, Saya?
He is very boring.
Look at the camera. He's very what?
He's very sweet, and he likes to wander around. So he usually crowds off when he's eating and hides.
You're right. He goes and hides to eat because they like to eat in private.
Yeah.
And well, right now I guess he just figured there's nowhere private, so I'm just going to eat. And well, so if you ever want to meet Crash, come up to the Nature Center at Earthshine, because that's where he's going to live. And check him out on the website at earthshinenature.com. And I guess that's it. Thanks, Saya. I wonder if Crash is awake. Crash! Crash, are you awake? Oh, I see some movement. Crash! There he is. Hey, little buddy. Come on. Hey, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. Come on. There's little Crash. Come on down here. Alright, what do you want this morning? Look. Take your pick. Oh, he wants the watermelon. He says that's some good stuff. Yep. How about a piece of peach? Try the peach. Oh yeah. And that white powdery substance is vitamins. Because a growing possum needs vitamins, just like we do. Good stuff. Isn't that good? He says this is the best thing ever. This is even better than grapes. Cantaloupe. How cute is that? Very cute. This is where Crash lives. This is his little housing unit. He can go in through this little door. Normally it's a swinging door, a cat door for in the wintertime. And you can climb up that stick, which leads him upstairs through a hole. Comes up the stick. And he's got his different kinds of blankets here to choose from. And the Opossum pouch, which is just a cat bed. And then right back here, this is a heating pad. It's nice and toasty warm. And I just put his little bed on that. And he can crawl inside the possum pouch and keep himself warm. Then he's got his food bowl and his little litter pan and 2 different kinds of water bottles so that he can decide to drink from this one or from this one. They're 2 different types of lickable water bottles. And then a water bowl, just in case he doesn't want to drink from the water bottles. And then the whole cage itself is about 3.5 by 7 feet long or so. Plenty of room for a tiny little baby possum. There he is. Hey, little Crash. Oh, there we go. Much easier to eat when they're soft. Come here. Worm. Here's a worm. Oh, yeah. And he's going to take it back to his bed. Wants to eat it in peace, of course. Yum yum. Isn't that just great? Must be time to go take a nap. Bye, Crash. We'll let him get some rest.